Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, Friday, November the 15th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you. Extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cyber block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not now. Now I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. News of the day. Well, I saw in this newspaper this Saturday boxing match. Yeah, Jake Paul against yeah, Mike Tyson. Yes, Jake Paul versus Mike Tyson this Saturday. It will be held. Interesting match, boxing match. Alright, first puzzle, 3 star Sudoku. Number double 95. Yeah, double 95. This will be double 95. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Double 95. And this one 27. Usually the 3 stars has 25. 3 stars puzzle. I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, it has usually the 3 stars has 25, 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star puzzle. I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Question is this a 1 star puzzle or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Let me see. Which number can I pick? One. How about 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 5. We have 5 in the last column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left and 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in a row above. So that row, the only 2 places left, and 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5, 5. Okay, now I cannot continue with the 5. I need to wait. How about 1 and need a 1 here. Need a 1 here. 1, 5, 3. Well, 3, 2, 1, 7, 2, 7. 4 in this column, 4 in we have a pair. The 3 and the 4 in this column, the 3 and the 4 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Need a 9. Alright. How about the 2 in this row. The 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place level 2. Shoot me down. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left, 9 in this row. Shoot me down. So 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. The rest 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in the middle row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Then, let me see. 5, 3. 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column, no, only 3 places left where the 3 should be here, or there. We have 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 in the second row, no 3 there. The only place left where the 3 should be there. Then, let me see. 9 and 5, no 9. 9. What 8? The 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1, 8, 7. I need a 7 here. Then let me see. Need a 1. Need a 1. Need a 1. Need a 1. Well, in this big square, we need a 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, no, only 2 places left with 1. Could be here, could be there. Now we need a 1 in the second row. Well, these 2 boxes can be 1 because we have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, no 1 there. So the only place left with 1 in the second row should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this second row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, 9 is missing, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes and down. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 goes together with the 1 as a pair. Not a pair in this big square. Other numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left now here. The 7 and 1. Let me mark those. And we need an 8. Yeah, 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between, no need 2 places left with 8. Cube here, cube there. Then, let me think. 6. Need a 6 here. And I need an 8 here. Come on. 3. I need a 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left. The 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 7, 6. 7, 6. Come on. 2 numbers left now in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Let me mark those. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8. Okay. Come on. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there, I believe. How about the 2? Need a 2 here. How about the 9? 9 in the last row. 9 in the row above from that row. The only place level 9. Shoot there. Need a 9 here. Need a 4 here. 4. 2, 7, 1. 6, 6. 6, 7, 4. 6, 7, 4. 6, 7. Need a 4 here. Well. I'm stuck. I'm a little bit stuck here. Come on, 10 minutes. What a 4, 1, 1, 4. Yeah, in this big square we need a 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left with 4 in this big square. Shoot it there. 4, 4. 9, 9. How about 8? Need a 4 there. 4, 4. Well, there. 6, 7, 2. 2. In the last row, we need a 2. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. It's the only place left with a 2 in the last row. Shoot there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left with a 2. Shoot there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row, so in that row, the only place left with a 2. Shoot there. And we have a pair, I believe. 2 and a 5 in this column, last column. 2 and a 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left with 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. 2 numbers left now in this big square for number 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Here we have a pair, 1 and a 7. 2 and a 5. That means 1 digit left in this column should be the 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5. Where's the 5? 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing here. So 1 digit left. Oh no, 7 and a 1. We have a 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 7 goes there. 7 and a 1, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 7 goes there. 1 box. Oh, 8 and a 7. We have a 7 now, so this box should be an 8. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8, 9 is missing, 7 and 9. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have 1 now in this row. First row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then let me see. 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2. Oh. 7 and the 6 are missing here. 2 numbers left now in this middle row. Oh, sorry, in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8 is missing. 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 box left in the last row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so the third column, no, only 2 places left with a 6. Could be here, could be there. 2 and a 4, okay. 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 and a 4, 7 and a 4. Wow. Well. 2 numbers left now in the middle column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 7 and 9. Well, we have a 7 and 9 here. Is this possible? No, not a 7. We have a 7 here. 6 and a 9. Almost made a mistake. The other pair in this big square on numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 4 and a 7. So here we have a pair, 4 and a 7. So 4 and a 7. So this box get me 7 anymore. The 7 should be in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 9. That box should be a 7. 7 and 4. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 goes there. 7 or 4. We have a 7 now. So this box should be a 4. 7 and a 4. We have a 4 there. So this box should be a 7. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 here. So this box should be a 2. 2 or 4, we have a 2 now, so this box will be a 4. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 7 and a 1, we have 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 5 and a 6. Here, 6 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 and a 5, we have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have 5 in the first row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 2 goes there, finished. 16 minutes, well, complicated this one. Complicated. Not faster than 15 minutes. Maybe I talked too much in the beginning. Well, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it yourself by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.